Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 27. The basic assumption in the kinetic theory of gas that forces of attraction and repulsion between gaseous molecules are negligible implies that A. Molecules will continue their motion indefinitely. B. Gases will occupy any volume. C. Gases can be compressed. And D. None of the above. Now looking at this statement, forces of attraction, that's coercive forces, and repulsion between gaseous molecules are negligible simply implies that the coercive force or force of coercion between gas molecules are negligible. Now looking at this, unlike the solid and the gas, for solid and gas, their coercive force between the molecules is not negligible. It is very, very significant, and that is why you see that the solid is more packed, because the coercive forces in the solid molecules is stronger than that of the liquid, not gas, liquid, sorry, is stronger than that of liquid, and that is why you see that solid are more packed and fixed than the liquid, and that is why you see that both solid and liquid cannot be compressed. They cannot be compressed because of the strong coercive force between their molecules. But in terms of gas, the coercive force in between the gas molecules is very, very negligible, and that brings about the compression of gases, and that is why gases can be compressed into any volume. So the right answer, or the right implication of this statement, is actually option C. Gases can be compressed. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.